Hey everybody, this is me, Knut Faso, and today I'm coming at you with a new video, and this time it's a product review. I haven't done these in a long time, so bear with me here if I am a little bit sluggish, but today we have an exciting product. It's called the Nifty by SecuX hardware wallet for NFTs. SecuX went ahead and sent me one of these. This is a really cool product, I think, because I do have a Trezor, and as much as I do love my Trezor, it doesn't really show me my NFTs very well. It doesn't really have a good display for that. So I'm really excited to go ahead and show this. This is my raw video. And so I'm going to do my best to just keep this straight to the facts with whether or not I would buy this if I was somebody looking to protect my NFTs. And I will just go ahead and get to it. So let me go ahead and start unboxing this. And so far, some of this nice wrapping looks very slick. I love the box. We have a little security strip here. It's always very important when you're dealing with hardware wallets to make sure to always buy them from the manufacturers directly if you can. Never try to get them on Amazon or a third-party retailer if possible, whenever possible, because if you do, you always do run that risk where it could have been tampered with, even if they do have one of these, security labels on it to make it look like it wasn't tampered with. You never really for sure know. They could have just slapped something else on. On the back of the box there, you also do know, it does show right here, Nifty by SecuX is the comprehensive security solution for NFT collectors to safely manage, store, and show off their precious collections. So it looks like it supports multi-chain, multi-grade security, personalized gallery, easy buy and sell. Very neat. So I am excited to pop this puppy open. As we can see here, when we open it, we get a little bit of a book with a getting started guide. This is really neat. I love it. Looks like a little QR code to download the app. Very neat. So I'm going ahead and going to do that. Let's see what it takes me to. SecuX wallet. So we're gonna go ahead and download this app, and then we'll go ahead and see where it takes us from there. It does say to go ahead and charge the wallet, so let's go ahead and bust it out. If I can figure out how to open. I am sorry guys, I am a little bit challenged. Here we go, it's a tray. Beautiful little tray here for the Nifty hardware wallet by SecuX. First impression, I love it. I think it's a very nice, compact, little sleek design. It's got a nice little matte finish here, so you can see in the light. It's got a glossy finish here. Nice little Nifty logo right there. And this looks like it's a white color with black bezels. I'm trying to remember what it reminds me of. It reminds me of like kind of like an old Nintendo DS in a way, but I love it. It's nice and light too. It's very light, but still yet has a little bit of weight to it. It looks like we have another little tag here. That's the charging port. Very neat. So it looks like it's a USB-C. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything else. Oh, yep, there is. Okay, so we have a USB to USB-C charging port right here. Let's go ahead and take this out. And I'm gonna go ahead and just plug that puppy in. And let's go ahead and give it a little charge. Okay, so it looks like it's got a little bit of charge, so let's see if it'll let me go ahead and proceed. Nice little touch screen right here. Okay, I think I already have the app. Okay, it looks like we got a little bit of charge here, so let me go ahead and set up the Nifty. Go ahead and set up device, and then it says right here, I can set up my hardware wallet. Go ahead and create a new wallet. I love how easy this is. Using the app on my mobile phone, I don't need to necessarily connect it to my desktop. This is so easy. It shows me everything. I love the app. It's so nice. It's so smooth. Beautiful UI and design. Turn on the Nifty wallet. I understand. So let me create a quick PIN. And right now it's searching via Bluetooth. Suppose I did that slightly out of order. So let me go ahead and create a PIN on the Nifty device. Okay, so now that I have the wallet set up, I can restore from an existing wallet, or I can hit set up as a new wallet. I'm gonna hit set here, set up as a new wallet, generate seed, 24 or 12, it gives me the option here. Let me go ahead and do, okay, it gives me an option here to confirm my seed. Now I'm going to have to confirm that I know my seed phrase. So let me go ahead and do that really quickly. Okay, now that I have confirmed, it gives me success message right here. Looks like I'm good to go. And I can go ahead and look and see receive. I can receive. Gives me my little nifty Bluetooth link there. Now let's go back to my phone and see if I can link my wallet now. Now it looks like this is connecting via Bluetooth and it recognized it. So let's go ahead and enter this pairing code. And Nifty has been, or I should say SecuX has been generous enough to offer 10% off. We will be giving this all to our NFT collections that we're partnered with on HODL Perks. And so if you don't know already, you can go ahead and sign up on HODL Perks. If you own a NFT that we're partnered with, you'll actually be able to have access to that discount code. We may seasonally post it below, so be sure to check the comments in case that code is active to save 10% on a SecuX Nifty device. And so this would be awesome for you if you're looking for a wallet and you like what you see in this video. Looks like we had a little firmware update to do, pretty standard. A lot of times these things do get patched quite frequently. And so this is a good way to just have that update roll out. Now this is really cool. So this app is very, very intuitive. I'm curious to see what happens as I explore the app a little bit more and as I connect to my wallet. Compatible D apps, very interesting, very cool. Looks like they have all the different marketplaces on there. OpenSea, Rarible, Unstoppable domains, very, very cool. So let's go ahead and see what it's like if I go ahead and send myself an NFT. So we're gonna go ahead and see how we can do that. So it looks like right here we have an Ethereum address we can use, and it checks out to the same one on my phone. So it's a really good companion app. Confirm. So let's go ahead and copy this one, and I'm going to go ahead and send myself my first NFT on the Nifty. Alrighty, so I just went ahead and sent it to a Strange Connections NFT. Love that team over there, by the way. They're awesome. So I just sent it over to my Nifty wallet address that I copied from my phone, pasted it into my notes so I could just quickly transfer it from OpenSea. And basically from there, I was able to send it over and it appeared in my wallet pretty seamlessly. Didn't have to do anything. You know, sometimes they're funky where you have to add the token and whatnot, but this was very nice. I just refreshed and it was boom, right then and there. I love how it displays and everything. So it looks like here I can view it on different things as well. So such as Etherscan, Trait Sniper, OpenSea, very easy. Oh, I can set it as my profile. That's cool. So let me go ahead and do that. And it looks like I can download my favorites as well. So download and sync. Let's see how that works. Oh, here we go. Updating my favorites. Oh, neat, neat, neat. So this is really cool. So now it's actually something that I'm able to view on the go right here on the Nifty hardware wallet, which is really, really cool because oftentimes, you know, the hardware wallets, one of the limitations of them is that you can't really display any of your NFTs, which is one of the coolest aspects about NFTs. So this is really neat. So from here, I can look at some details. Very neat. Okay, love this. Now let's go ahead and see if I were to send this, if it would require me to do anything. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, so here it would say, it would want me to confirm the transaction right then and there, which is awesome because that's exactly how they should work. So one of the big things, the benefits of hardware wallets is that if somebody were to hack you or anything like that on your device where it was compromised or it got into somebody else's hands, they wouldn't be able to sign any transactions because they don't have access to the device that is essentially a cold device like this that allows you to sign messages that isn't attached to the internet necessarily. So this is a good way to go about that, it looks like, because this provides a solution where it gives a little bit more of a UI, I love that, than my Trezor. But at the same time, it's a bit bigger, so it's definitely got, you know, something to boast to display. And of course, I can just see what I'm sending things to, see a little bit more of my NFTs. And if I'm on the go, there might be a case where I want to show off some NFTs I have. that is a really cool way to go about that. So really neat. I really am digging this Nifty hardware device. It's really a sleek design, very well made, and it really looks like it was done well. So good job to SecuX for making a device that was definitely needed in the space, and thank you so much for sending this along and for allowing me to do a short review on this. I hope you guys enjoyed my honest take on everything and showing you a little bit more about how it works. I'll be sure to potentially do a new review in 6 months to 12 months to kind of show how I feel like using it, or kind of showcase how I've liked using it this past little while. But without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you are interested in getting a 10% discount, be sure to check out our partnered collections on HODL Perks. Again, HODL Perks allows you to get more benefits for the digital assets that you own. So any of those collections on there will likely have a discount for SecuX for multiple of their products. So thank you so much to them for sending this again, and for providing a discount to all the different communities. I believe we have about 30 different communities on HODL Perks we're partnered with. And without further ado, guys, I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one. Bye.